So, can you convert that into a percent now? I'm going to take the two numbers after the decimal point. Good?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. And then, let's try this. Okay, I'm going to start with you, Logan. Now what we're going to do, okay, thank you, Bianca. We're going to convert, I'm going to give you a percent, and I want you to convert it into the other two. So, how about 44%? How do you convert those back into decimal, back into the fraction? Good. And then how do you convert it back into the decimal? Good job. Okay? So to take a percent and convert it back into a fraction, you just take whatever number it is and put it over 100.
Mark, I have a question.
Yes.
If you simplify that, wouldn't it be 11/25?
You are correct. Yes. Okay. It's equivalent. So you would just reduce. But just so that we get it back into fraction form, we all know how to reduce already. So just to get it back into fraction form, I want to make sure you guys know how to do that. One thing that's kind of like a trick that one of my old teachers taught me is if you look at the percent symbol, it's just a line and 2 zeros is what makes it up. And I always remembered that because that stood for 100 out of 100. So it's 44 out of 100. Okay? Kind of a little trick, okay, to remember. Okay? So let me try Jonathan again. Okay, I'm going to give you a percent, and you're going to change it back into other forms. Okay? Let's do 95.
So if I do this right, so it would be 95 out of 100.
Mm-hmm.
I'll make that 0.95.
Very good. Very good. And you could like he said, you could always reduce this. You know how to do it. Okay? So Riley, let me give you a percent before I let you guys start practicing on your own. Let's give you 36%. Good job, Riley. Okay. And last one, Bianca, let me give you one more before I let you guys start practicing on your own. So, let's say, how about, oh, sorry. How do you convert it back into a fraction? Good. How do we change that into a decimal? Awesome. Okay. Thank you, Bianca. It's easy to turn the fraction back into a decimal when it's out of 100, right? We don't really need the calculator for that because it's just those two numbers after the decimal point, right? Okay. Alright. So do you feel like you have a pretty good grasp of it? Riley, are you okay? You okay with it? Yeah? Bianca, can you think you try that on your own? Yeah? What about you, Logan? You're expert at this already. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys a short worksheet, okay? Try to do it on your own. And then we will solve this last problem together on what is the better buy. So let me hold on to these while you guys do the worksheet. Logan, you have a calculator, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't I have you two work together, and Jonathan, you use this one. Okay. Logan's got a calculator, and he can do it on his own. Yeah. What's that? Oh yeah. Sorry. Why don't you guys take turns? Okay, so that would be the decimal form. And then Younger, how would you try to do it for a percent? Okay, that's good, but you're missing one thing. If you're going to use the whole number, you're going to need to put a decimal point there somewhere.
Oh, I rounded up.
That's fine. However way you want to do it. So here, this says 125%. Okay? It can't be 125%, that's more than one. So you're going to need to put a decimal point somewhere. Where would you do that? Riley, can you help her? Where would you put the decimal point? Not there, that would be 1.25. So you put the first two numbers, okay, and then the decimal point. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So you need a little bit more practice in there.